What's up guys? John here, and in today's video I want to talk to you about how you can make yourself feel better about your guitar playing. This is a little different video than what I usually do, but it's something that I've been thinking about and I wanted to share it with you guys. And I know I've been guilty of going on Instagram myself or YouTube and seeing other players with more chops in their pinky than I have in my whole body and feeling frustrated, or if you're just feeling down about your guitar playing. This is something to try, and you can immediately see how far you've come. So here's what you do. If you are a right-handed player like me, then just do what I'm doing. If you're left-handed, you do the opposite. But here's the idea, is that you're playing your guitar like this, but now turn it the other way. So you can see immediately it's super awkward for me. And if you think, okay, play a C chord, play a C. Okay, so let's, I'm trying to hold the pick, okay? And then here's the C. And man, I'm trying to get my third finger. Horrible, right? So it's like I've never played guitar in a day in my life. But I turn it this way, and now it's like my third arm. I've spent like 20 years sitting right here with this guitar like this. So to gauge your progress and remember how far you've come, turn your guitar that way and give it a try. That's where a beginner is. And you could see how, I think, oh, play a C chord. Yeah, no big deal, right? And then like try and play a C chord for your first time. And it's pretty tough. So the other thing I want to talk to you about is that there was a recent study that was done, and you can Google this. 90% of guitarists quit within the first year of playing. So if you've been playing guitar longer than a year, you're already showing that you can persevere and you can stick with it. It takes a lot of work, but it's a lot of fun. And if you've already made it past that first year, you're already beating out 90% of people that pick it up. So that's all I wanted to say today, guys. I hope that encourages you and makes you feel better about your playing. Try it out, flip the guitar the other way, and make sure you subscribe to our channel. We got new videos dropping every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 7:30 a.m. And you can click the link below and get a free PDF that's all about soloing as my gift to you. Thanks for your support. We'll see you in the next one.